Hello, welcome to the Natural Lifestyle Show. We want to show you a chicken coop slash duck pen that Billy made today. He used free pallets and all materials that we had around the house, right honey?
Exactly, every bit of it. The only thing that went from around the house was everything we've already had. We just put it all together.
Yes,
We did go get the pallets.
So yeah, what we have here is we have pallets. He's got them 2 on each side, as you can see.
Yep.
How did you connect the pallets together? With screws?
I connected them with screws, and what I've done, I put stakes in the ground.
Yeah, anchored it with a board.
I anchored it with a board.
Just like we do at the fence over there, the pallet fence. He anchored it with a board.
And the chickens do have a place to roost.
Yeah, he put up a place for the chicken to roost. Well, we have 3 chickens, and the duck is in here now.
And she's loving it.
And we had to put up the fencing because we have to keep birds of prey away from the duck and also snakes out of the chicken coop.
Exactly. And what I'm about to do, I'm about to make a homemade lock. I'm going to get 2 more blocks like this. I'm going to put them right here, put 2 here, 2 here.
You want to show how it's going to look? So
and
it's just going to be to where we can place a piece of wood there.
Yep.
And it will secure it there.
And it's going to lock it.
So it's very possible to make an affordable chicken coop slash duck pen to protect your animals. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars at the feed store to get.
Because I think I looked and the cage was like $400 is $3.99, and then when you count taxes, it's going to be around $4.20.
Yeah.
And I'm like, why do that? And you can get pallets pretty much a lot of places for free.
Yeah.
So we got the free pallets, and here's the thing: if we get more birds, we can actually take the screws out and extend it.
Yeah, and we probably will get some more ducks.
Definitely that.
So, I mean, this is such a nice little pen here. I mean, it's enough room for them. We let them out during the day.
Yep.
For several hours. And so this is great for them. We just want to encourage you that you can do this too.
Exactly.
You know, the pallets you can definitely get for free. You just have to buy some netting and some screws
and we
and
put this tarp up here and
she gives her approval.
The tarp we got from Dollar Tree. The screws I use we got from Dollar Tree.
All right, there you go.
So and that's really the only thing we really paid for, other than the net that we already had. We've had this net for about 3 seasons already.
Yeah, well, you can get that on Amazon, and I will put a link below to where you can buy this netting, because it's so much of the net came in a pack. You can use this for many projects.
Yep, I actually got a few more projects I like to do with it.
So this is a great project for you to do. God bless.